Good morning. It's story time. We're going to read a book. It's called We Don't Eat Our Classmates by Ryan T. Higgins. It was a #1 New York Times bestseller, so it should be good. Penelope Rex was nervous. It's not every day a little T-Rex starts school. What are my classmates going to be like? Will they be nice? How many teeth will they have? This was very important. Penelope's mom bought her a new backpack with ponies on it. Ponies were Penelope's favorite because ponies delicious. Penelope's dad packed her a lunch of 300 tuna sandwiches. I don't think they're all going to fit in this lunchbox. Finally, the big day came, and Penelope Rex was very surprised to find out that all of her classmates were worms, birds, dinosaurs, children. She looks a little bit scared over here. So she ate them because children are delicious. Penelope Rex, said Mrs. Noodleman. We don't eat our classmates. Please spit them out at once. So she did. It was not the best way to start school. Still, Penelope was determined to have a good first day. She tried hard to make friends at recess. I don't think this little girl wants to go down the slide. She finger painted some of her best work. She even saved Griffin Emery a seat at lunch. He doesn't look like he wants to sit there. Penelope started to notice everyone was making friends, but her. They're hiding behind the wall, and they won't sit near her. I wonder why. If you said because she'll eat them, you're right. It was lonely. Look at all of the children together, but Penelope's not there. When she got home, her dad asked about her first day of school. I didn't make any friends, Penelope cried. None of the children wanted to play with me. Penelope Rex, her father asked, did you eat your classmates? Well, maybe sort of just a little bit. Sometimes it's hard to make friends, said her dad, especially if you eat them. You see, Penelope, children are the same as us on the inside, just tastier. That gave Penelope a lot to think about. The next day, Penelope tried really hard. But poor Penelope, she could not stop herself from eating her classmates. Mrs. Noodleman, Penelope ate William Amoto again. And they were all afraid of her. Except Walter. Walter was a goldfish. So Penelope tried to make friends with him. Will you be my friend? I wonder what's going to happen next. Do you think Walter will be your friend? Maybe she'll take him on the playground with her. Chomp! Not what I thought. Ah! Cried Penelope. Who's eating my finger? Once Penelope found out what it was like to be someone's snack, she lost her appetite for children. Look at her big boo-boo right there. She stopped eating her classmates, even when Cece Woodman spilled barbecue sauce all over herself. And soon Penelope made friends. She got to play hide and seek. She even made brownies and brought them to her friends. As soon as she stopped doing the thing that they didn't like. Now, even when the children look especially delicious, she peeks at Walter and remembers what it's like when someone tries to eat you. And Walter the goldfish stares right back at her and licks his lips. Because dinosaurs are delicious. That was a fun book. Now you have an assignment after this. I want you to make a video of yourself telling me your favorite part. Doesn't have to be long, and no one's going to see it but me. You can also take a quiz on this book. The number is 195764 if you want to write it down real quick. So go to AR and take your first quiz. I'll see you later. Thanks for listening.